All right, guys, so we back at the property today. We got a lot of work done today. I had a couple meetings to do while I was here too, so Josie and my father-in-law, they held it down today. We did get some work done. They came over here and they watered. I'm just giving you an update on the avocado trees and everything. So here's the avocado trees. That's one of them. You can see all the leaves are gone on this one, and all the leaves are gone on this one. There's some new leaves coming back though up there. You can see them up there at the top. So we have been watering, guys, and like I said, we're still in the process of getting this well. So all the trees are still hanging in there. This one right here is actually starting to grow some leaves. It's a little bitty lychee tree. That one over there is still thriving. This lychee tree right here is still thriving. Hopefully now that we're giving it a little bit more water, it can, like I said, just pull through for me. The papaya trees are doing good now since we put the covers on them, and the since we put those the netting on them, they're doing pretty good. Yeah, it's doing pretty good. Don't look like anything was attacking them now since we put those on there. See right here, that one looks pretty good. That one looks pretty good. These banana trees are doing good. This is one. You can see you got new leaves growing in there. That one over there is good. This one right here, which I thought was dying last week, and it's actually coming back again too. And that one is doing good. This is the one I just brought from home. I cut this one out the backyard yesterday. Put that in there. This was another one that came out the backyard. I had to lift up the cage a little bit because it was the new leaf was trying to come through the top. This one came from the backyard yesterday, and these right here are Cavendish dwarf. And here's another baby one right here I just put in today. So yeah, as you can see, we got a lot of banana trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, that's a lot. We got 8 banana trees though. Yeah. Yep. So we'll go ahead and show you the garden boxes, what we did today. Yeah, you can leave that. Just leave that. Just give it all of it. Pour it all in there. All the water. Yeah. We'll leave that bag here for when I come back on Tuesday. Tried to burn this tree again, guys, today. And you can see I got nowhere. Got nowhere. Tried to though. It was on fire. Almost burnt myself too with the gas because it shot up so quick. But didn't get anywhere with it. So we're heading back over here. You can see this one's still on fire a little bit. The little tree right there on the ground, I lit that one up. It was a big blaze, but as you can see, it didn't do too much. I don't know what it's gonna take over here, guys. I don't know. But it's still on fire though. It's burning slow, so just gotta keep doing it. Keep doing it, keep doing it. This one almost burned my eyebrows off because it shot up quick. This one right here. Yep. Didn't do too much damage to it. Let's see. All right, so back over here. They're over there watering the rest of the trees, the ones I just put in. As you can see now, guys, we are finally done with setting up all of the garden beds. You can see we have the green ones now, the olive green. They are done finally, guys, and I'm telling you, this is the worst part of doing these garden beds, is just putting them all together. Even filling them is not even as bad as putting them all together. It takes forever. So, but as you can see, we finally got them done. The collusion plants right here are growing. You can see they are growing. It's getting some weeds over there too on the left side, but we'll cut those down. I'll show you guys the new machine I ordered and what the new project is. I'll probably be back over here Tuesday, guys, to do the start. I gotta come over here and drop off some stuff for next week on Tuesday, so I'll come back over here and drop that off on what we're going to be building over here, which I already told you guys is going to be the shelter. It's not a goat shelter, but it's just a shelter for us to get under and for us to have some shade out here when we're here. So, but yeah, this is it. Yep, so these are the garden beds. You can see I still have the vinyl hanging on them. I haven't cut those yet. I still came out here and forgot the scissors again. That one still got the scissors on. I didn't bring the scissors for that one yet either. So, but you guys tell me what you think about these Vigo garden beds, if you guys have some, and what colors you guys got. And like I said, we decided to go with all the colors because we like them. So pretty happy with them right now. Some of my beds are starting to go down as far as the leaves in it. They're starting to sink a little bit, which is expected. So we'll be back and start filling them up again. Surprised little critters hasn't really been bothering us over here. You can see something right there was digging a little bit of something, but it's okay. All right, but yeah, we're making some progress, guys. My father-in-law and Josie they're over there moving the aloe plants over there to the other side of the property, putting it underneath that tree over there, because I think it's a lot more shade over there that I told you guys about. So yeah, and guys, down here where the banana trees are, like I said, I still got a lot of room coming back this way. And I seen a plum tree last weekend when I was at Home Depot, and the only reason I didn't buy it was because I didn't have no room left in my truck, because I was going to get it, and it looked nice. And it had plums on it growing too. So, and I heard that over here where we're at, it's a little chilly up here, so you can actually grow it. So I do anticipate on buying me a plum tree over here. Oh wow, look at the horse. The horse is over there laying down on the ground, rolling. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hope nothing wrong with them. Okay. Yeah, but anyway, so we'll probably have a plum tree here now. And I know I'm gonna get a tangerine tree, and I know I'm gonna get an orange tree, and I know I want a pomegranate tree. And I think that's about it, guys. I mean, we got the avocado, we got the papaya, we got the lychee, and oh, my wife's cousin, she gave us she has a mango tree that she wants to give me. She already has it. Somebody gave it to her, and it's in a pot. So I told her, yeah, we'll take it. Why not? You know, why not? So, but all right, guys, this is all I got for you. All I got for you guys today, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Well, I'll be back over here Tuesday, but the video probably won't come out until Saturday. So, on what I'm gonna be building. So, all right, you guys stay safe out there. Stay healthy, and I'll see you guys on the next one. If you haven't subscribed, please like and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. And thanks again. See you guys later.